In this video here, I'll be sharing my passive income for the month of February. So how do I recognize income? Well, I recognize income when they go into my Singapore bank account. So in other words, I recognize income only when the cash is being received in my Singapore bank account. Next, as I'm based in Singapore, so therefore I will be referencing all these incomes in terms of Singapore dollars. If they are not in Singapore dollars, I will convert them to Singapore dollars. So in the month of February, I have income from 5 different sources. The first source of income comes from Udemy. So Udemy is a course marketplace where you can purchase a course on Udemy and learn a skill. You can also teach on Udemy, which is what I'm doing. I publish courses on Udemy, and when someone makes a purchase of any of the course that I've published, I earned a royalty out of it. In February, Udemy will pay me the revenue that is being earned in December 2024. So the amount that I've earned pre-tax is $238.83. Take note, this dashboard from Udemy is in USD. Okay, and because I'm based in Singapore, which does not have a tax treaty with the US, I'm subjected to the 30% withholding tax for sales made in the US, and this amounts to $22.57. And my net earnings will be $216.26. In early February, Udemy will transfer this amount, will pay me through my PayPal account, and then I will transfer it to my Singapore bank account. So the PayPal exchange rate will give me $282.26 Sing dollars for this amount in USD. So there you go, my first source of income, Udemy, which pays me $283.26 in February. Next, let's take a look at my second source of income, which is Google AdSense. So this is a day in the life of my dashboard from Google AdSense. So as you can see, pretty much I earn a few cents per day. Take note, this is not AdSense from YouTube. It is from the websites that I have made many years ago. So I would say that this is really passive because some of the websites I have not been touching them. Okay, so there you go. This is how it looks like. Okay, and if you look at this, right, because I earn only a few cents per day, okay, it actually takes me quite a lot of time to accumulate at least $150, which is the minimum amount that I need to reach before Google will pay me. I talk more about my earnings from Google AdSense in this video here. So if you're interested, link in description below. You can reference this video. In February, I finally reached the 150 Singapore dollars threshold that is needed in order for Google AdSense to pay me. And I received $154.10 in February from Google AdSense. So this is my second source of income, Google AdSense, $154.10. Next, let's take a look at my third source of income, which is from bank interest. I earned a total of $500 in the month of February from these bank interest, high interest savings accounts that I put my money in. One of it is the UOB1 account. In order to receive higher interest from the UOB1 account, you do need to meet certain criteria. I also park some of my money in the GXS savings accounts, and this account here, it pays the interest on a daily basis, and you can earn up to 2.88% per annum for your savings. Another high interest savings account is the OCBC Bonus Plus savings account. I used to be using this when the interest rate was up to 2.8% a year, but now it has dropped to 2.35%. So I'm actually slowly shifting my cash from the Bonus Plus to the GXS savings. But in total, the interest that I received from my cash in the various bank accounts amounts to about $500. Let's take a look at my next source of income, which is income from bond interest. So this is my CDP account, and in the month of February, I received payout from one bond, which is the Singapore Savings Bonds from August 2024. This bond pays me $949.03 in the month of February. Okay, so I received it on 3rd February. So this is my fourth source of income, which is bond interest, paying me $949.03. Next, let's take a look at my largest source of income for this month here, or my largest source of income in the month of February, which accounts for more than 50% of the total income, which is the dividend from stock. And in fact, it is only from a single stock. So let's take a look at my CDP payout for the month of February. So I received dividends from the STI ETF. So I purchased the SPDR STI ETF. And in February, it pays me a total of 3111 plus $219.60, which adds up to $3,330.60. So this is my fifth source of income in February, dividend from the SPDR STI ETF, which gives me a total of 3330.60 cents. So in total, the amount of income I received in the month of February is, drumroll please, $5,216.99.